So hey, awesome ones. So I know I've talked about being in a styling rut, with sweatpants and t-shirts, but today I want to talk about being in an aging styling rut. And I have 5 different outfit changes showing the do's and the don'ts. And my idea with this video is to show you how to style to look up to 10 years younger with your fashion. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. So let's start off with our mindset. If you think that you're over the hill, then you are. What I'm trying to do with these styling tips is I'm trying to show you, how to change from looking dowdy and invisible to aging with attitude. Hey, you have many, many years to look youthful and fabulous, and these tips are going to help with just that. But let's take a look at my first outfit, and I call it dowdy outfit number 1. And the idea and the premise of this is thinking that you have to wear pants all the time. So here I am in my black pants and top, and since the top is a bit fancy, I might think that I look fashionable, but actually I'm looking a little bit dowdy. And by the way, those cheap flip-flops, they never look chic. Now I know that many of you have seen this dress before, but it's one of my favorite looks for the season. I'm still mostly hiding my legs, but I'm looking much more youthful and stylish. I'm still in all black, but notice the sleekness of this long dress and how it took years off me in the before and the after look. Also notice the accessories of a long pendant necklace, bangles, and even strappy sandals with a comfy, low kitten heel. And if you're not confident with the slit, the stretchy material allows it to sew it a little bit more closed. Now I did do a self-tanning once when I showed this dress, and here it is. And what you can see here is I got a beautiful glow, and also it's streak-free. It's also not really orangey. And if you're wondering about maybe a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved this, I'm going to have that video at the end screen of this one, so that'll be there for you. And also, as usual, at the bottom of the description and also in the comments, I'll have a lot of the fashion pieces that I'm wearing in this video. Now for my next do and don't example, I know a lot of people are trying to recreate this look because it really is trending, but watch out that you don't make mistakes with the white shirt and jeans look. So you're trying to create this look and you have a white shirt somewhere, even if it's a bit yellowed or even a man's shirt. And you also know that high-waisted jeans and sneakers are trending. So you pull out your old ones, and including athletic shoes, you pull them out of your closet from another decade, and well, maybe that's not a great idea. The new shirts these days are stretchy and tapered, and I like to tuck both sides into my slimming dark wash Lee jeans that are also stretchy. I rolled up the bottom hems, but you could also leave them uncuffed. A sleek pair of white leather Keds polishes off this casual yet up-to-date look. And by the way, if you're liking this video and you also like videos on makeup and self-care and skincare, I would love for you to subscribe and join us here in our community. And also, every single Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at the top of the page at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, I have my live chat, and we just kind of hang out like girlfriends and we browse, fashions and makeup, all kinds of different things. And I would love for you to join me there too. Now my next outfits, they involve also a jean look where you have an old jean jacket in the closet. So here's an almost full 80s look, but without the youthful styling. The acid wash untailored jacket, the high neck t-shirt, and the denim capris, and also those athletic sneakers just makes you appear older. So let's look at a better style. So now we're talking. This is my new stretchy lean jean jacket that's more like something from the 2000s. And this top is youthful along with the pencil skirt. And notice that the pencil skirt is almost the same length as the capris, and it's stretchy too. Change out those old athletic shoes for leather kids that also clean up easily because they're leather, and you've taken years off of you and that tired, aging outfit. So sometimes we just want to hide underneath our clothes. So what we do is we layer up with lots of clothing, and then we add layers of jewelry and bangles, thinking that we're really got a good artsy look going for us when in fact, it's aging us. So let's take a look at what I mean. Now this look is artsy, but not in a good way. There's way too much jewelry with the necklaces and bangles. And although a maxi skirt is okay, the long top and green duster are just too many layers. And those comfy shoes, well, I know many women need to wear orthotic shoes, but with orthotic inserts and even newer styles that cater to relieve the foot pain, we can do better. So here I still have an artsy look without layers and layers of jewelry and clothing. A pair of leggings with this fun top with cutouts is a great artsy style, paired with a straw hat, a few bangles, and a straw bag. And on my feet, I have the Memory Foam Skechers flats that is also available in wide widths to help you have comfy feet. And next, let's not forget to put together outfits with white pants, but this first look that I have, it misses the mark. So here I'm wearing a comfy top, but the color has no life to it. And again, why do we wear capris that cut us off at the worst part of our calves? The black sandals are just too much of a contrast to the white pants, and the matchy-matchy big black purse to the black shoes isn't working. So here I have a wonderful, colorful top that I just tucked in each side to cover my belly. And instead of capris, I'm wearing white stretchy jeans that are just as cooling to wear as those capris. Now, for my sandals, I have skin-toned kitten heels that blend into my skin tone and don't cut me off at the feet. And my purse is a fun red one that has a built-in change purse. Add a pair of aviator glasses, and this fun, youthful look is complete. Now, not too long ago, I did a social posting on how I want to keep blooming and not just wither away. And I know, in the past couple of years, a lot of us, our morale has gone down, our outlook has gone down, and we feel like we're withering away. And I really, really hope that this video has helped you, and also let me know in the comments what are the outfits that you liked, and maybe what are the kind of styles that you may want to try. So my wish for you is to bloom on. And if you look in the mirror and you say, oh, I'm feeling kind of dowdy, I'm looking dowdy and withered, just change something. Maybe put on a dress or wear a straw hat or some really cool sunglasses, or maybe even get yourself a pair of those Keds leather sneakers. And then when you look in the mirror, you might just say, I look good. And in the meantime, until we meet again, don't forget to keep it awesome, everyone.